Welcome back to the channel. We have a simple geometry question where we'll be finding one of the angles. As usual, I'd love you pause the video, try solve the question, then come back to see my detailed explanation. That said, let's get into class. Now, here's our question. Our question wants us to find the value of x, while we're given an angle here to be 110 degrees. If you look at this figure carefully, you see that we have two parallel lines. This is the first parallel line here. This and this, both lines are parallel. And this is the second set of parallel lines. From the way the angles are drawn, from the way the arrows are drawn, we know these two lines are parallel. Now, if this line is parallel to this line, I can simply extend both lines. I want to extend this one this way. It's parallel. Then I want to extend this backwards this way too. Let me label this angle here as y. So I can pick my y to be equals to 110 degrees. Denote that they are corresponding angles. Now, same thing will happen to this angle here. At this point here, I'll call this Z. This time around, we are working with another two sets of parallel lines, this line and this line. So I can pick my y again to be equals to Z on same note that they are what? Corresponding angles. Now I can now pick my Z plus X to be equals to 180. The note of angle on is straight line. That's the sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So if y is equals to 110 and y also is equals to z, automatically z is same thing as what? 110. So that 110 plus x is equals to 180 degrees. X will be equals to 180 minus 110. X is equals to 70 degrees. X is equals to 70 degrees. I hope we got the same results. Now, common mistakes students make when solving such questions is not understanding when and where to pick their corresponding angles. That's where you have to be a lot careful to pick the corresponding angles at the right point. With this, I hope you understand how to work with corresponding. With this, I hope you understand how to work with corresponding and alternating angles. Thank you for staying with us and see you in the next class.